we look at like how the user experience, it will affect the effectiveness. So user experience will affect the effectiveness in three ways. Discoverability. So if users they don't know what the agent can do, they won't use its capabilities. So the idea is that the agent UX, it must surface agent UX, it must surface available actions which are available for the user. It must surface suggested workflows. The agent UX, it must surface next steps and the limits. So that is what is the discoverability. So discoverability means the user experience of the agent, that the UI, it should contain the available actions, like what agents can do, what that agent AI system can do, available actions, the suggested workflows. Like let us suppose you are giving it a prompt, it is giving a response, and at the end of the response, it will also tell what else it can do for you. So that is the suggested workflows, the next steps, what it can take, and the limits. So this is very important. So this is what the discoverability is. Because without discoverability, power remains unused. Because let us suppose you have made a very powerful agentic AI system, but if you are not showcasing its capabilities, then the user will never use it. So without discoverability, power remains unused. Power remains unused. So discoverability is the key. Clarity of capabilities and limitations. So clarity of capabilities and limitations. So communicating what the agent can do and cannot do is the key. Because when users they overestimate capability, they get disappointed. Because so clearly communicating what the agent can do and cannot do is very important. Because if the user they overestimate the capability of the agent, they might get disappointed. And if they underestimate the capability, they may underuse. So clear UX sets correct expectations. So that's very important. Confidence and transparency. Confidence and transparency. So users they need to understand what the agent is doing, why it is doing it, and when it is uncertain. So that's what the transparency is about. So transparency means at any point of time, whatever the agent is doing, the user should know, and user should also get an idea why it is doing that, and when the agent is uncertain. So transparency, it builds psychological safety, because opaque systems, it feels dangerous, and transparent systems build trust.